In this video, I'm going to show you how to rewind or reverse a video in CapCut. Now this will work on both your computer and also mobiles as well. So I'm just going to start by importing my video footage. Once you have your video footage imported, you can just drag it onto the timeline. You then need to decide whether you want to reverse the entire video footage, or maybe there's just a section that you want to reverse instead. So let's say I just wanted to reverse this middle part of the video, then you could do that by splitting the video into two. So move your playhead to where you want the reverse effect to begin. You could then click on this split button, and then you can move your playhead again to where you want the reverse to end and click on the split tool once again. And as you can see, we now have this middle section, and this is the part that we're going to reverse. Now to do this, you just need to hover over this icon here with a kind of arrow going around it, and then you can just click on the option for reverse, and that will automatically rewind and reverse your clip. So then when you go to play your video back, it's going to be playing this in reverse. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.